Hey guys, welcome back to B9 Studios. Today I'm gonna show you 2 tricks to reply to WhatsApp messages without appearing online. You don't need to install any application for this. If you want more videos like this, make sure you are subscribed and enable the bell icon. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first trick is reply from the notification panel. When we get a message, we get a notification too if it's not disabled. We can expand it and click on reply. Type the message and send it without even opening WhatsApp. And the recipient won't see you are online. But the problem is you can only reply once till you get the next message. There comes the second trick. Turn on the aeroplane mode. Open WhatsApp, send many messages as you want, and close it. Now turn off the aeroplane mode. The messages will be delivered in background without updating your last seen status. That's it. If you know any other methods, let me know in the comments down below. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.